Welcome back to the super exciting tutorial how to create Android applications of a website. So stay tuned. File, new project. Give your application names to my blog. Hit next. Here you see that API level 16 Android 4.1. So we select 17, so it will run on most of the device 61.3%. So hit next, then select blank activity, then hit next. You see that activity name, title, and menu resource name is main menu. So hit finish. You see that your Gradle script is building, and here is your application loaded and Gradle finished. So change the project encoding to UTF-8 and default encoding for project properties files is UTF-8. So hit OK. So change the action bar activity to activity. And hit Alt Enter, and then change the styles.xml's apps.compat.light.dark action bar to theme.apps base.v7.theme apps compat.light. And now you can check it out, the layout. It's look okay. Now first we have to remove the paddings of the applications. This is padding right, left, top, and we have to hold just tools context dot main activity. Now we have to insert web view. Here is your web view. Now check it and remove these lines. Here is your web view. ID is web view. Now we have to add the X in the manifest file is uses permission Android name android.permission.internet. That is the permission to the apps to accessing the internet. Now save this. Now go back to main activity and now write down web view wv. You can declare also as a private. Now wv equals to web view, find view by id, art.id dot web view. Now web settings equals to wv.get settings and settings dot set JavaScript enabled boolean value is true. And after that write wv dot load URL. This will load your website URL. So I'm gonna browse to my new blog unblog.com. I have to take this URL now paste inside the load URL. You see here is some mistake. This www.unblog.com it should be, but it is not here. We will check it later. So now write wv.set web view client is new web view client. This will prevent to load your website URL direct to the browser. But if you want to load in your applications, you create a new class, that is mob web view client. Create a new class, hit OK. Here is your new class that extends web view client. Now inside this class, place in your keyboard is Ctrl O. Then load this method. Public boolean should override URL loading web view string URL, and inside this method write this code. If URI dot parse URL dot getHost dot ends with here we need this website domain. It is not the entire address, that is http://www.evenblog.com. So remove it. So www.evenblog.com, just copy just www.evenblog.com. Then inside if block write return statement, return false, and outside this if block write intent in is equals to new intent intent dot action view, then URI dot parse URL and view dot context, that is get context method. Dot start activity, dot and add the return statement, return true, and save it. Now inside main activity.java paste inside public boolean options item selected menus item this class private class mob web view client extend web view client, then place alt enter. Now we have to work for pressing back button and navigate to your previous web page of your website. So for this we have to override the method on back pressed wv dot can go back is wv dot go back. Else super dot on back pressed. Now save main activity.java. Now your application now is in debug mode. So I will test this application in BlueStack. So plus select build variant to release mode, and then you see that Gradle executing task is continuing. Then build generate signed APK. It is my key store .jks. Give your key store password and key alias. That is my key alias is apps key. Then hit next and change the directory of your APK location. That is new APK files. Then hit finish. Here you see that your APK is successfully generated. This is your APK file app release. So I will install it into BlueStack's app handler. you see that your website is loading as that is your website. Here it is. So in next video we will see how to customize your Android applications of website by adding custom application icon and splash screen. So hey, are you crazy for it? Then subscribe to Multi Android Zone and visit www.unblog.com for more Android applications. Have a good day.